I wanted to do a hair day with me. It is the first week of the month and I am going to do my DIY hair mask with you guys. So I'm going to do my hair mask. I'm going to talk about the changes that I've made with my hair and how it's responding, and then you guys will see me straighten my hair, my entire routine. Just trying to make sure it's not breaking off in the back. Okay, so if you guys watched Vlogmas, you would know that my stylist gave me a concoction to make for a hair mask because my hair had been breaking off really badly in the back, and pretty much we came to the realization that my hair was severely lacking moisture. So today I'm going to be doing a hair mask using olive oil, super cholesterol, and 2 eggs. 2 or 1, I'm not sure. My stylist recommended that I actually use mayonnaise as well, but we don't have enough left for me to do a hair mask and have it for the family, so we're just gonna make it work. I was instructed to put all this on dry hair, sit under the dryer, or sit with it in my hair for an hour. So now you guys know, just like with food, I don't measure anything, okay? I'm Southern, I'm a real cook. I just season to my liking. This one I feel like is a smoother texture, but it could be because this one has a pump with it. I have my hair cholesterol, 1 egg, extra virgin olive oil. We're having all the hydration, darling. So yeah, you guys, this is the second time I've used this mask, and I felt like last time I used it, my hair felt amazing. I think I'm having a lot less dryness in my hair, so that's always great. I don't think my hair is breaking off in the back at all. So the back of my hair looks like. I want to say I got my hair cut election day. So it's been, well, about 2 months right now, or almost 2 months when I'm filming this. My bob is getting a little long, so I do need to get it cut. But it's been 8 weeks post relaxer and post haircut, and honestly, my hair is looking really, really nice. But I do want to just cut it because Lorena Bobbitt's getting a little long, and that's not what we want, darling. Look at her wrist. Look at her wrist. We don't do that over here. FYI. So now I'm just gonna put this in my hair. This is what the consistency looks like. If you guys can see. Ooh. It looks like cake batter all over my hair. And it's so funny because some of you guys told me you used to use this mask or some version of it like a long time ago. Apparently this is a really good old school trick. And honestly, you guys, I am hooked because the way it made my hair feel last time, yep, I'm here for it. So I'm gonna saturate all of my hair from the root to the tip. Y'all thought I was gonna say from the root to that. See, I'm just gonna make sure that all the strands are saturated. I hate the way this part feels, but the aftermath will be worth it. I made sure to get my workout in earlier today. Because I don't know about anybody else, but there's nothing worse than having freshly washed hair and having to work out and get your hair all oily and sweat it out. It's the worst. Now, when you're applying this mask, you especially want to concentrate it in the areas where you do experience breakage. So for me, that would be the middle section of my hair, but specifically in the back. Ah! Got it in my ear! Ah! Okay, you guys, so I pretty much have my entire head saturated with the DIY hair mask. I'm just smoothing it all out. And I'm going to put a plastic cap on it. I pretty much used almost everything in here. Roll my ends under. like an old school French roll. Okay, guys, so I have my DIY hair mask all saturated into my hair and my scalp. I'm not in any rush today. I just have some meetings, so I'm just gonna sit like this with a plastic cap on my head. I'm not gonna get under the dryer, and I will come back in an hour. So you guys, I just got out of the shower. Washing my hair. So that I minimize heat damage, I air dry my hair. So now that I'm out of the shower, I'm going to put my leave-in conditioner in. This is the Redken Anti-Snap. It is an anti-breakage leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. This is all I put in my hair after I come out of the shower. I put it around the edges of my hairline, in the back of my hair, in that back section that tends to break off, and all around the perimeter of my hair. Also on the ends of my hair. This is the only thing I use during this process. Then I just allow my hair to air dry, and we will take it from here after she is dry. So yeah, see you guys in like 3 hours probably. It is nighttime now. I got busy. I had dinner with my family, but I am going to do my hair tonight. I don't want to wait till tomorrow. So it's been probably 4 hours. My hair is mainly dry, so I'm just going to detangle it. It is so soft. I really think it was this super cholesterol. My hair feels amazing. So soft and so hydrated. I do that DIY mask once a month. I wash my hair every other week. So that gives me once a month to do that and once a month to have a regular wash. Gonna use my heat protectant, which you guys are sitting on. This is my heat protectant, the Joico Ironclad. This is my favorite heat protectant. It kind of sprays like a hairspray, meaning it's a very dry spray, a lightweight spray. It doesn't make your hair feel heavy or weighed down. So now that I have my heat protectant in my hair, let's do the blow dry. This is from Irresistible Me. They did send this over to me for review purposes, but I love it. I've been using this for about, I would say maybe 6 months now, and I really like it. It's lightweight, it's easy to use. I blow dry my hair using the tension method, meaning that I'm going to angle my blow dryer towards my hair, but I'm not gonna go like this. This usually takes me about 10 minutes. Let's go. And you guys, I will link all the tools I'm using down below. My hair feels so freaking soft. Oh my goodness. You guys, that DIY hair mask is the truth. I have been relaxed now for probably maybe 6 or 7 years. On and off, I've been relaxed, been natural. Also, since I've had my channel, oh my gosh, my hair just feels so good. I'm just letting my hair cool down and making sure that there are no damp spots. This is an Olivia Garden brush, my favorite brush of all time for doing a flat ironing routine or straightening routine. They are very expensive. This brush was like $20, but I've had this brush probably for 6 or 5 years, like since I've started doing hair care videos on my channel. It is peeling on the handle, but it works. This is a carbon comb, meaning it is heat resistant because I use the comb chase method. The flat iron that I'm currently using is my GHD Classic Styler. Probably a few months back that I switched to using a ceramic flat iron. I was previously using a nano titanium. Big mistake. It was pretty much frying my hair. It's just way too hot. So I use my GHD flat iron. Now some people think these get way too hot. I love my GHD though. I've had that one for like probably a decade. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep this same part. And you guys, that probably took less than 5 minutes to finish blow drying my hair. I do it that way. My iron is ready. Did you guys hear it? I do my hair that way, you know, letting it air dry for some hours just to try to eliminate some of the heat I would otherwise use. Oh, I'm getting hot. So my biggest tip to getting your hair really straight is to move in small sections. This is going to be one section going through my flat iron. Actually, I'm gonna separate that one in half. The smaller your section, the more evenly the heat can be transferred through the hair and you get really straight, smooth results. It's one pass of the flat iron and that's really all you need. I just do another one to get it bumped at the end. And like I said earlier, you guys, I am 2 months post relaxer. Oh my gosh, that cholesterol made my hair so soft. So if you guys have been watching for a while, you already know what the comb chase method is. It is where you literally chase your flat iron with a comb. This just gets your hair really, really straight. The premise is that if all the hair is aligned the same way, the heat can move through more evenly. I am all about getting my hair as straight as possible, especially on like the first try, the first pass. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so hot. It's the only thing about doing your own hair. So this is the comb chase method. Gets my hair super straight every time. I know during Vlogmas you guys liked it when I put a lot of curls in my hair so that it had a lot of body. I really like a flat bob. I really do. These are things I'm learning about myself. First of all, I still can't believe that I like a bob. I have always had long hair, like, you know, since I was straightening my hair, wearing it straight, and getting a relaxer. Open this robe, honey, it is hot in here. So this is a huge change for me, but I love it. And I wish you guys could feel my hair. It is so soft. This is actually the softest it's felt. So I think that super cholesterol really did it. So I press it at the roots. Then I switch it to the front. Use the comb chase method. Good to go. I need to do a little fan before I sweat these edges out. Y'all, I still cannot believe that I like a bob. Like, who am I? Like a bob? You guys have never seen me with short hair on my channel that I'm like keeping. If I've ever gone short, it's because I had to rehab my hair. But I'm about to go get it cut again just so I can have like the perfect length bob. I don't know if I'm ever gonna go back to long hair, you guys. The bob is just so carefree. Y'all, my hair feels like butter. Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm ever going back to a regular deep conditioner. This super cholesterol hair mask is the GOAT. I might not even need the Design Essentials overnight hair treatment, which I'll put across the screen. Okay, I'm taking this robe off. Okay, that feels better. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do an update on the progress of my hair. It has been thriving since I started this new routine. If I can appropriately insert pictures of what my hair used to look like, I will do that. It was breaking off horribly in the back, and I haven't found any breakage yet. Fingers crossed that I don't find any, but this mask has really just revitalized my hair. And when my stylist first told me about it, I was like, you want me to put mayonnaise and eggs and cholesterol, like old school cholesterol in my hair? I'm a believer. Like, I wish you guys could just reach through the screen and feel it. Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple more rows. Just listening to a little Mariah. So half of my hair is done. This took about 15 minutes. So this half, oh, I just want you guys to feel it. It feels so soft. You guys, hair breakage, no problem. Like, my hair feels so moisturized and soft. Oh, I can't wait to wrap it. So this is a before, like plus 50% because I did manipulate it. And this is the after. Let me show you guys the back. Oh, I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna finish the left side of my head and I will show you guys when I'm done. I am so hot. But I finished my hair. Take it down. I feel like I'm gonna have to. It feels so good. We need a cute thumbnail. It feels scrumptious. I'm just gonna quickly go over my edges. Okay, well, I'll just have to wrap it and see what happens tomorrow. But you guys, let me show you one more time in case you forgot. This super cholesterol, you need this. My hair feels like silk. This is the softest and most hydrated it has been since I started doing this hair mask. So I'm gonna leave the ingredients for my DIY hair mask down below. Let me show you guys the back. I feel like an AKA. You guys, I am not Greek. But I have friends who are AKAs and I love you guys. So yeah, this is the back of my hair. It just feels so healthy. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go wrap it up before I start sweating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I'm going to leave down below my shampoo, my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, all my hair tools, all of that. I will link all of those products down below. Do my hair with me, hair routine, hair update. It is flourishing. I will be going to get it trimmed soon though, but it doesn't even look like I have split ends. Like, my hair is just thriving. This is what happens when you nourish things, they grow. Word of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.